summer fishing here in Lake Ocon. And it's a little bit windy because wherever I look, there's a lot of people just running around and enjoying the weather. So I guess I'm going to go near in the dock. It's better to stay near in the shallow water because you don't really get closer in the shallow. Plus this time, summertime, the catfish is spawning. So it means that they are here in the shallow water, in the shallow area. So we're heading now in my favorite spot under the bridge sometimes, and also here in this look at this, still anyway. Our bait for today is normal chicken noodle, and we have cat bait. Welcome guys to my channel, Eve's Vlog. So before I was Buhay ni Inday, but I changed my name into Eve's Vlog so everybody can search me. So guess what it is? Guess what is this? This one is the big flathead. I don't know how many pounds, but this is too heavy for me. It's huge. So we are so happy to have this flathead. It's been a long time that we never catch this flathead. I think it's already 3 years ago when we caught those 2 or 3 flathead. And until now, we're praying to catch again. So this time, I already have in my hand see, nice and heavy. Even though the boat is rocking, but I feel secure because I have my life jacket. need to be careful to lose my cell phone that I'm taking a video. I lost my tripod before because of it's too windy. So right now it's shaking also the boat. So I'm scared that it might be going to lose my cell phone. So this is the way I wanted to take a picture as a remembrance also for this flathead. And hoping to catch more catfish like Chanel or blue catfish. Here you go. Nice color. Very nice color. Yes, so we have the bait earlier, the cat bait. It's not live, but it's a cat bait, cat fish. I think is um, small kind of scad or yes, catfish. That one is from the ocean, right? So we just cut into small pieces and just bait. And right now I'm blessed to have this huge flathead. Look at that, it's too pretty. So by the way guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share my video about fishing and cooking and traveling. Thank you so much. Eve